Turn the tabletop upside down and lay it flat. You can see markings A, B, C, and D at the four corners. Attach leg A to the corresponding corner of the tabletop using M6 by 12 mm bolts. Make sure to attach it in the correct position. Attach the remaining legs in the same way. Place side panel E between legs D and A. Then secure it to the legs using M6 by 30 mm bolts. Lift the panel up and align it with the bottom of the legs. Note: do not fully tighten the bolts at this stage to allow for adjustments during assembly. Secure the control board included with the tabletop to the small hole in the side panel using M6 by 12 mm bolts. Attach side panels F and G in the same way. Attach the cylinder holder to the legs using M6 by 30 mm bolts. Please ensure that the circle is placed on the sides of legs A and B. Attach the door to the legs using M6 by 30 mm bolts Pardo. Turn the table upright to make it easier to tighten the screws. Open door and place the gas cylinder in the holder assembly. Use the M5 bolt to immobilize the tank. Connect the regulator, then close the door. Pour the fire glass beads around the burner. Do not completely cover the burner elements or block the pilot box with lava rocks. Unscrew the igniter button cover. Insert one AAA battery. ensuring the negative end faces inward and the positive end faces outward. Screw the cover back on. Press the igniter button fully. At the same time, push down and turn the control knob to the high position. Release after 15 seconds. Turn the control knob anti-clockwise to the low position to reduce the fire. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the fire. Push in the control knob slightly and turn to the off position. Make sure the flame is completely turned off before placing the lid on.